Come test drive the 2026 Ridgeline. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, 8 speakers, leather seats, compass. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul. Experience the perfect harmony of comfort, safety, and performance.